Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying your Microsoft 365 license and that Copilot is enabled. Once confirmed, sign in with your work or school account. Open the Office app you need, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and click the Copilot icon to open the pane. You should see a prompt or query box right away. This is where you start. If you have organizational templates or documents ready, load them now so Copilot can reference context and deliver accurate, tailored suggestions. Once the Copilot pane is open, give a concise prompt and include context, document purpose, audience, tone, and any constraints. For spreadsheets, point to ranges or attach the workbook so Copilot can compute or create formulas using your data. Ask for drafts, summaries, or slide outlines, and then refine. Request a shorter paragraph, bullet conversion, or different formatting. Make sure to check suggested edits inline. You control acceptance, so iterate until the output matches your goal and style. To finish, carefully review Copilot's suggestions, accept edits you trust, and make any manual adjustments. Then save and share through Teams, SharePoint, or email as needed. If formatting or data mismatches appear, ask Copilot to reformat or explain changes so you can verify logic. If Copilot behaves unexpectedly, sign out and back in, toggle the feature off and on, and ensure your tenant policies allow Copilot. If problems persist, contact your IT admin for permission or licensing checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.